that all right? If you can, thanks boys, thank you.
Kirkhoff at Dorwood, ymlaen at Rio Booth, a'r arbediad cynnar gan Cweto. Y gig gornel gan Miller. Mae heibio pawb ac yn taro'r postyn, ac oedd angen Booth i glirio. Wel, y pîl mor anlwcus i beidio mynd ar y blaen yma. Cani at Colborn, Gary Colborn a'i draed chwym yn ergydion, doedd o ddim yn beth, a mae'r rhaid deud yr ymwelwyr sydd wedi bod fwyaf bygythiol. McNab at Booth, O'Brien yn troi ac yn canfod Kirkhoff at Legavec, a mae'r tîm cartra ar y blaen ac yn erbyn llif y chwarae yn hyb i beth bynnag. Ond y gŵr o Lithuania wedi 28 munud yn rhoi Pontardawe ar y blaen. Peniad yn ôl, a mae yna oedi yn yr amddiffyn. Leo Ross all iddo fanteisio. O, gwaith da gan Cweto i wneud yn iawn am gamgymeriad yr amddiffyn. Peniad Weaver yn un llac sydd at Miller. Mae gen Lawrence digonedd o le. Lawrence! O, dihangfa i Pontardawe. Mae'r capten yn gwybod y dylse fod i wneud yn well. Costro mynd sydd dros y bel. Ymlaen at Dorwood! Oedd hwnna'n rhy hawdd i'r tîm cartre. Neb yn ei farcio fo. 5 munud i fewn i'r ail hanner. Ac mae Dorwood wedi dyblu mantais Pontardawe. Yates ar bel hir. Y peniad yn ôl. Mae'n disgyn yn hyfryd i Miller. O, yn angen arbediad gan Reeve. Wel, am ergyd. Mi ddisgynodd yn berffaith i Robert Miller. Ond oedd angen i Steve Reeve fod ar ei ora. Colborn ar tafliad hir. Tuag at Lewis Summers. Ac mae'r pîl wedi dod yn ôl. A mae'r rhaid deud maen nhw'n llawn heiddi'r gol yna. Y tafliad hir gan Colborn a'r cawr o ymysodwr Summers yn penio. A gyda 65 munud ar y cloc, mae yna ddigon amser ar ôl i'r pîl. Digonedd o le yng nghanol cae i Kirkhoff. Legavec sy'n derbyn y bas, gwaith da gan sgoriwr y gol agoriadol ac yn aros ar ei draed ac yn canfod Dubiaga! Wel, 4 munud yn unig barodd gobaith y pîl. Legavec o Lithuania yn dawnsio heibio'r amddiffyn yn croesi i Dubiaga o Latvia. Gol i Pontardawe gafodd ei greu yng ngwledydd y Baltic. Y croesiad tuag at Summers, o arbediad campus arall gan Reeve. A mae rhywun yn cael y teimlad nad i ddim yn mynd i fod yn ddiwrnod y pîl.
Yeah, delighted. The performance was very good. It was a difficult cup tie. Obviously a team, a couple of divisions below us, but obviously seeing their results to get to where they are, beating Welsh Prem, Cardiff Met, we knew it was going to be a real tough challenge today. But the way the boys carried everything out, the way they managed the game today was really pleasing.
To be honest, the occasion was fantastic for the club. It's the biggest game in the club's history. I think we tried to give it a good go. We brought support, which we're really grateful for, but we just fell short on the day.
Obviously they brought a great following, 2 flares, and you know, it's great for Welsh football when you see the fans like that, and so from their point of view, you know, it was nice to see a crowd and a following come down. Obviously the only way they were going to score was set plays. We'd done our research on them. We knew, I've played against Lewis many a times, I know he's a threat, and sometimes when the balls are being thrown in the box to him, there's not a lot you can do. But I thought the manner that we managed that spell when they scored, you know, we showed great maturity, which sometimes we haven't shown this year. So the group's improving all the time and getting better, and game by game I'm seeing big improvements on how we're handling matches.
Dwedon ni hanner amser, ni'n gwybod bod nhw'n mynd i dod yn allan yn gyflym. Fi'n credu o'n ni wedi delio gyda hwnna eitha da. Cael yr ail gol yn gynnar yn yr ail hanner. A wedyn, ar ôl i nhw sgori i nôl, cael y trydydd, oedd yna rili bwysig i gorffen y gêm bant wedyn.
I'm extremely proud. I'm extremely proud of not just the players, but everybody involved with the club. We've done a massive effort really over the last couple of years to really get out of our league, and I think it's credit to everybody behind the scenes as well. We've got a big game now next week, which is in the FAW Trophy at home to Welsh Pool, and we've also got a league that we're really looking to push and get promoted this year.